This experiment needs 4 different liquids and some marbles.
So, what is the experiment?
They're measuring the viscosity of different liquids by seeing how long it takes marbles to fall through them.
A marble race! I love marble races!
Which marble will win the race? What do you think?
The first liquid is engine oil.
Down goes the marble.
That took 4 seconds. Next, it's syrup.
And this is
Oh, it's thicker. Look how much slower the marble is going.
This is not what I was expecting.
And it took 15 seconds. So the syrup is more viscous than the oil.
Now your turn.
This is washing up liquid. And look how slowly the marble is moving through it.
This is even more viscous.
That's right, Zoom. And to reach the bottom, the marble has taken 40 seconds. And finally, honey.
Whoa! It's the slowest in the world.
Wow, that marble is taking ages to fall.
Yep, honey is very viscous.
Is it ever going to get to the bottom?
Patience, Zoom. Well, I think we know the results of the marble race, Zoom.
Yes. In first place was the marble in oil. In second place was the marble in syrup. In third place was the marble in washing up liquid. And in fourth place is the marble in honey.
Yay!
In a time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
So that marble lost the race. But now we know that the honey is the most viscous. Ah. Thanks, Conor and Alex. Your experiment was marvelous.